Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about fluid motions and Bernoulli's law. Let's get started. So there are two types of fluid motions. First one is random translational motion, and this is what contributes to the pressure of the fluid. And as you can see in the diagram, random translational motion is literally just fluid particles randomly bouncing against each other and against the walls, and this is what creates fluid pressure. And then the second type is uniform translational motion, which is the motion of the fluid as a whole. So if you have water flowing through a hose, you're going to have water particles generally moving in one direction. And uniform translational motion does not contribute to pressure. So when fluid is in motion, it's said to be in a flow, and flow refers to the net movement of